What is up, everybody? What is up, my friends in Pompano Beach, Broward County? How are you guys doing today? Just making a quick video here because I'm currently in a car that I'm driving to one of my customers' houses. And for those of you guys who don't know what we do here at Vox Automotive, I just wanted to make this quick video as we are on the way to deliver this car to our customer. Pardon my driving and videotaping. Don't do that. However, we are on the way to drop off the car for the customer now, and we just want to tell you, I just want to tell you a little bit of what we're offering here at our office, and hopefully we want to reach out within the next few weeks to our communities and let them know that there are programs that we are now offering that is established to help you guys out there. We want to give people a fresh start. So for the next few months, we're going to be offering every customer that comes into our lot 0% interest. We're going to be doing no credit checks. Of course, you need to have a job, that's a given, but if you are self-employed, that's fine too. If you don't have pay stub, that's completely okay. So we're just trying to help you guys out. So for everybody that comes to pick a car with us and buy a car with us, we will do 0% interest for up to 8 months to help you guys not pay ridiculous amounts of interest rates like banks are charging today, which is anywhere from 21 to 28%, which quite frankly is ridiculous. I hate the fact that they do that to consumers, and you end up buying a car, say for $5,000, you end up paying almost 3 times that car, right? So this is the reason why we're putting this program together. It's for you at home. If you're sitting there and you've been denied a car loan, if you've been denied at any dealership, big dealership, here we aren't selling brand new cars, but we are getting you guys reliable transportation. And not only that, with every purchase of every car, just to make it a little bit better, to help people out, genuinely help people out. It's not so much about the sale. The sale is what drives money for our business to be able to run, and for us to put these programs together to help you out there. If you've got challenged credit, bankruptcies, repos, none of that matters with us. We want to put this together here so that you guys can come and actually enjoy your car buying experience. And with that being said, anybody that buys a car with us for the next 6 months, we are going to be giving you guys 0% interest. We're not doing any credit checks. And on top of that, we are going to give you guys 3 months of credit consultation where we go in there, we completely analyze your credit profile, regardless of what you have in there, whether it's bankruptcies, repos, credit card debt, medical debt, anything that most of us have on our credits today. And we're going to help you fix your credit for 3 months free of charge. So with that being said, I want to introduce you guys to our newest customers. I'm super happy that we got to help them out, and we're going to show you the car that they got. We're going to ask them a little bit about how our service was, and if you guys want to get involved and get some help as far as both getting a car, getting reliable transportation, and making some corrections to your credit profile, we're here to help you guys at Vox Automotive. So stay in touch and stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit more what we do. What is up, everybody? Welcome to another day of Vox Automotive. Behind me here you see one of our transporters. So if you are buying a car, no matter where you are in the US, we can get your car to you safe and sound and with the best price. The car you see up here is a 2018 RAV4 that we found for a customer of ours. It's actually getting picked up today. Today is September 11th, and it's going to be going on its way to the customer's house and dropped off at her driveway. So this is the kind of service that we offer here. Make sure that your car is clean, make sure that it's got good miles, make sure the history is immaculate. And if you're looking to buy a car, you can go ahead and send us a message. We can find anything from inexpensive cars all the way as low as $1,000 to something like this, which is a 2018 RAV4 with only 12,000 miles. And that's the easy way to do it. And this is how we do it at Vox Automotive. And if you're looking for your next car, let us know. We'll find it for you. We'll make sure it's good. We'll make sure it's completely inspected and you will not have any headaches. And then we'll put it on the truck for you and get it to your doorstep. So if you want some more information or you're looking for a car, make sure you click that link below and we'll be happy to help you out.
Very clean, well-maintained vehicle.
So here we are, working on this 2001 BMW 330 convertible. We just did the heads, not the heads, I'm sorry, the valve seal on this. I didn't do it, obviously. My homie did it. But it's a nice car. I just bought this one today. This is super nice. Alright. And there's a limo. That's pretty cool. So I bought this one today. And I bought this one today. Beautiful. Only 85,000 miles. Looks absolutely fantastic. It's got some fade spots on the paint, but we're probably gonna just redo the whole thing and give it a brand new coat. It's only got 85,000 miles, so that's what we're gonna do. I think my limo's here to pick me up again. So that was the purchase of the day, and we still got one more. We got this Nissan behind us that we're gonna redo again, so should be exciting. Ouch. Ooh, there's my baby. That's her right there, guys. Middle console of this Lexus. It's a 1999. We're changing the whole front console of it. And hopefully it works again. Got my boy helping us out over here.
Yo, what's good? Holla at me. Big Drip 81 on the gram.
You heard. There you go. Got the new one. Hopefully this shit fits. Because we didn't have much luck with that one. That one right there. So, with that being said, always gonna be a fucking bitch.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Does it look like it'll work?
I don't see why
Hopefully.
not.
Hopefully that shit is bright and clean as fuck, that LCD. I'll be so happy if that shit works.
Oh, it's missing now. Look.
Cool, we got it from the other one. Perfect, because we got both them bitches there. Oh no, it's there, right? Broken.
Yeah, and look, it had tape on it, so they knew it was.
So we'll get it from the other one. Fuck it.
Yeah.
The other one's probably got a brand new one of this. Hopefully. If not, the other side still has it, which probably should fit on this other side too. Because they probably made them the same fucking size. Yeah.
Yeah, it's because of the vents, bro.
I got that shit to work.
Alright.
Let's fucking go.
So you want this one or the old one? The new one.
Which one do you think looks better?
Well, this one's from the car, bro.
Yeah, so fuck it. Let's just.
Alright, so hit the brake. Illumination factor. Right there.
Boom.
Toma!
Brand new. What is up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today we just want to give you a little bit of a sneak peek on how we take care of our customers. We had Jonathan who bought this car here. He's hearing a little bit of noise on his brakes. It's only been a week since he bought the car, so obviously in good conscience, we're not like most dealers where you buy the car and it's as is and have a good luck. We try to do as much as we can to help our customers, so we're putting brand new rotors and brand new brake pads for him here. Let me show you a little bit of the work that's getting done.